packing your Johnny Gill up, jumping on my cell phone, trying to catch a flight. On the one thing straight, I'll be here, bro, whenever you call me. When you at home, that's your plan, so that's your plan, you say it's all me. This shit ain't all G, but here before you ain't entertained. Since I met you a couple months ago, you ain't been the same. Not saying I'm the richest man alive, but I'm in the game. As long as you keep it 100, I'm the Spanish chain. I ain't gon' flex, but I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, then we all gon' stunt. Sit in my way, she gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up.
All these bitches is my sons, and I'ma go and get some pips for 'em. A couple formulas, little pretty lips on 'em. If I had a dick, I would pull it out and piss on 'em. Let me shake it off. I just signed a couple deals, I might break you off. And we ain't making up, I don't need a mediator. Just let them bums blow steam, radiator.
Go, crack, smack, 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 easy, go, crack, smack, go, crack, smack, crack, smack.
Pansies just hating, but I take it out and try. Put her in a jungle with bananas on the side. Told you they provide me career for somebody's life. I ain't talking poultry, but I see this chicken straw. Anyway, Britney, why they so gay that you teamed up with me? Telling my son, yup, telling him to pick me. Anyway, for that, what's that? I don't know what femme fatale. Sniff, cries. I done saved your whole entire can life. You got some extras out, I done balled all day. You ain't left the guard. What? Would you die? You need a break? You was hot win. Ricky Lake.
I noticed that you got it. You noticed that I want it. You know that I can take it to the next level, baby. Everyone is good, this is a remix.